There are many words and phrases in the English language that have two different meanings. Compound interest is one of them. It can be both your best friend and your worst enemy, depending on the situation. We'll start off with a positive meaning. Compound interest when you're trying to save money. Now imagine you put $100 in a savings account at the bank and never did anything with it ever again. And let's say your bank offers a 1.2% annual interest rate compounded monthly. Or in other words, calculate it and deposit it into your account once a month, making that 1.2% annual interest rate into a 0.1% interest rate a month. Well, what happens to your bank balance each month? Looking at this chart, in the first month you have 10 cents of interest added to your initial $100, otherwise known as a principal. Then in the following months, more interest is added. Another 10 cents is stacked on top of the existing balance. Repeat for every month after that. This is the magic compounding. Your money keeps building on itself thanks to compounding interest. This is why a lot of financial experts recommend that if your cash is just sitting at home in a jar or under a mattress, you should at least put it into a savings account so it can grow on its own. But how can this also work against you? Well, compound interest is the same concept used to calculate interest charges on your credit cards, loans, mortgage, and other debt. Let's say you borrowed $10,000 instead on a credit card at a 15% annual interest rate. For the sake of simplicity, you never make another purchase on this credit card ever again. Assuming you made a $200 payment each month, 3 months from now, your balance with the added interest only drops to $9,772.18. That's because in this case, even though you're making payments, interest is still being charged on the entire remaining balance each month. Interest is compounding by adding upon itself, and it's making it harder for you to pay off this balance. So in 2 minutes, you just got smarter about compound interest. If you'd like to figure out the effects of compound interest on your credit card or savings account, surf on over to our website at 2minutefinance.com and check out the online calculator. I'm Bobby Lee with 2 Minute Finance, and thanks for watching.